Here's a quick overview of a mobile forms tool that we built for a local client. This is an example city called South Morrissey. Here it's communicating with the server to get the list of forms that a user can fill out. Let's go through the council speakers list. Here you can see this list of form has been pre-populated with my profile information. All of the questions on this form are dynamically driven by the API, and they use native elements once they come to the mobile device. A user can fill out their details in the form and submit it back to the server. Now it's submitting that form to the server via the customized API and then going into the back-end system. Another example form is the graffiti reporter. So imagine a user's walking down the street and they see some graffiti. Well, they might want to tell the server where that graffiti is located. And then they can see other graffiti reported in the area, but let's submit a new submission. Let's take a photo with our camera. And accept that photo. And here we have the GPS location saved, the photo, and all of this metadata, which again is dynamically driven from the server. We have different logic built in, so different required fields and different fields that have validation on them. For example, postal code. It has to be a valid postal code or a zip code in the states there. And once complete, again they submit the form and it goes into the back end. Another use case is seeing forms that you've already submitted. In this case, you go to the My Forms tab and you can see different groups of forms that you've submitted in either a list view or in an interactive map view. Here we've got a list of forms around the office that I've submitted, and you can choose to drill into any as you need to see more details. You can also see forms submitted by other users around the city by going to the My City tab. Again, you've got a map view and a list view, and you can see a few different icons here. So here we can see the icon with a pencil, meaning I created it, or an icon with a small I, which means someone else has created it and I've chosen to watch it. Here's a flag without any icon, so I can see the status of it, I can see it has a photo, and I can choose to follow that issue. I can also drill into it to see the details. So here we have the map and the image and the details, and I've chosen now to follow this issue. Also has a My Profile tab, which saves your data and keeps that stored so that when you're filling out forms it can auto-complete that information. That's a high-level overview of the InTouch application that we built for iOS and Android. It works on both smartphones and tablets. Thank you very much.